What if I told you that the most powerful machine in the known universe is sitting inside your skull? It controls your thoughts, your emotions, your movements, your memories, and even your dreams. This is the human brain, the most complex biological structure ever discovered. In today's episode, we will explore what the brain is, how it is structured, and why it is the control center of human life. The human brain is a soft, sponge-like organ weighing about 1.3 to 1.5 kilograms. It is protected by the skull and surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid, cushioning it from injury. Although it represents only 2% of body weight, it consumes nearly 20% of the body's energy. The brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons, specialized cells responsible for communication. The brain constantly receives information from your eyes, ears, skin, muscles, and internal organs. It processes this information and sends instructions back to the body. Every movement you make, from blinking to running, begins as a signal in the brain. The brain has three main structural parts. The cerebrum is the largest part, responsible for thinking, memory, emotions, and voluntary movement. The cerebellum, at the back of the brain, controls balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord, controlling automatic functions like breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure. Without the brainstem, life would not be possible. The brain contains two types of tissue: gray matter, which processes information, and white matter, which transmits signals between different areas. Gray matter handles thinking, while white matter ensures seamless communication. Together, they form a powerful internal network. The brain is divided into two hemispheres, left and right. Each side controls the opposite side of the body. The left hemisphere is generally associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking, while the right hemisphere manages creativity, imagination, and spatial awareness. Both hemispheres communicate constantly through the corpus callosum, enabling seamless coordination. Even during sleep, the brain remains highly active. It processes memories, regulates hormones, controls breathing, and maintains heart rate. The brain is working 24 hours a day, ensuring your survival and health. Although the brain makes up only about 2% of body weight, it consumes nearly 20% of the body's energy. Thoughts are created by patterns of neurons firing together. When neurons repeatedly fire in certain patterns, their connections strengthen a process called neuroplasticity, which allows us to learn new skills and form memories. The human brain is the control center of the body, containing billions of neurons that constantly process and send signals. It controls our thoughts, emotions, and movements, and keeps us alive every second. But this is only the beginning. In the next episode, we will explore how the brain actually works from neurons